Hello everyone. Today I came to Visakhapatnam to one of my friend's home. See the view of this Kailasahill hill over there. See the beauty of nature. Hey, hello. Hi. And I love birds, plants, trees, nature, and those beautiful flowers. See this, the hill view. Isn't it not looking nice? Wow, wow. See, the place around here is very nice, fully surrounded by hills, and this is the sunset time. I'm just waiting for shooting those crows who gathered over here. You know, every evening there'll be a get together of all the birds at some place, and from there they'll start going back to their home. Have you noticed that? Yes, it is. See, this is sunset. See, fully surrounded by, see, the crows are going home, fully surrounded by hills, and see, somebody planted trees. Beautiful. See the sunset. It may not be visible so clear with my mobile camera, but when we see with our naked eyes, it's like very beautiful, the sunset and sunrise. That is the reason I never try to miss any sunrise in my life. See the crows coming. See the crows coming. Let's go. Let's shoot those crows. See, after the meeting, they're going back to their home. Oh, hello, hi, hey. See this tree. Sometimes on this tree I have seen today early morning that yellow color bird. Have you ever seen that golden finch? That American goldfinch, they'll be called as those yellow birds. They look like some sparrow, small birds. They're so beautiful, isn't it? That's why I never want to miss any birds or plants and kind of trees. Sunrise, sunset and full moon. These are my favorite things of my life. See.